last 2 months, I have been working on the Forces of Nature theme. It's been such a fun challenge to do something that I have never tried to do before, which is fires and winds and volcanoes, and really try to push myself beyond what I already knew and beyond what I, at that point, perhaps thought I could do. So I started out with just playing around with the theme. It's the way I do this. In the beginning of a new theme, it's all about just trying out something, learning how it works. In this case, I had to look at lots of time-lapse videos of fires and winds and familiarize myself with volcanoes, how lava moves. And the beginning period of any theme like this is always just the playful and trying out things. Some things work, some things don't. And then once I progress, I can start to distill out a little bit what it is that this theme is going to be. What can I paint? Some things might be too challenging and I have to leave those behind. And I have kind of a core of themes that I can then expand out onto glasses and cups and with different mediums. And that's when the production really expands. And I then have a huge amount of different things all around me, and it feels a little bit like chaos, and it can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. And then at some point during the last month, or sometimes just the last few weeks, things are starting to become finished products. Actually, I can sign some things and I can put them aside, and the actual launch kind of comes into being. And today is the big day. It's always so exciting these Sundays. It's the big launch day. At the end of these themes, it's been going for 2.5 months that I've been working on this Forces of Nature. And now it's all photographed, it's signed, it's framed, it's varnished. And now it's all out there in the shop. And we click on the buttons, sending out the mail and letting everyone know that it's there. So it was a very exciting day, a little bit scary to see how it's the day where people really interact with it, and it's always a bit scary but also really nice. And at the same time, when a launch like this is over, it always almost feels a bit empty. The thing that I've been thinking about every day, working on, it's now done. Which is actually something really nice about these launches, because it's wrapped up. So while it feels a bit empty, that emptiness then gives new room for the next theme. And now the process will start all over. I will look at videos, at photos, get inspired, learn new things, and then get into the beginning of the new theme. So yeah, I hope that you all have had fun with this theme. I've never showed as much as I have with this one. Take a look in the shop. There's a link below. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the videos to it. And I'll be so excited to take you along with the next theme that I've already started to think on. So I hope I'll see you then.